Today, I'm going to teach you how to assign billable expenses to a client in Xero. This is particularly useful when you need to track expenses that should be billed back to specific customers, making your invoicing process more accurate and efficient. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find several menu options. Locate the purchase menu, which is where all your expense-related features live. This is the central hub for managing bills, purchase orders, and other expense items in Xero. Click on the purchase menu and a drop-down selection will appear with various options. From this menu, select Bills. This action will take you to a dedicated page where Xero organizes all your bills into different categories and statuses, making it easy to find what you're looking for. You'll now be on the bills page where you can see all your bills listed. These might be organized by status such as draft, awaiting approval, or awaiting payment. Take a moment to browse through the list and locate the specific bill you wish to assign to a customer. Click on that bill to select it. Once you've selected the bill, look toward the top corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Bill Options. Click on this button and an expanded selection of actions will appear. From these options, select Edit. This will open up the bill in editor mode, giving you full access to modify its details. In the Bills Editor screen, you'll see various fields you can adjust, including the recipient, date, due date, and all the line items with their details. This is where you have complete control over the bill's information. Now navigate down toward the bottom part of the bill. Here you'll find a button that says Assign Expenses to a Customer or Project. This is the key feature that allows you to link this expense to a specific client. Click on that button and you'll see a field labeled Search for a Customer or Project. Since the goal here is to assign this bill to a customer, go ahead and type in the customer's name or search for them in the list. Once you've found the right customer, click Assign. Next, you'll be prompted to select which items from the bill you want to assign to this customer. Click on the specific line items you wish to include. This gives you flexibility in case only certain expenses on the bill should be billed back to the client. Once you've selected all the appropriate items, click on OK to confirm your selection. And that's it. You've successfully assigned billable expenses to your client in Xero, ensuring accurate tracking and easier invoicing down the line. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.